Okay, this is Cool Dude Clem here, just making a quick video to announce that tonight I'm going to be live streaming at 7 PM British Summer Time, so I don't know what that's going to be where you are, but I'm going to be installing Fedora Linux on my main PC. I'm going to be installing it, we're going to be installing software, playing some games and all kinds of things like that. I currently have it installed on my other computer right here, as you can see. Although right now I'm trying to figure out just how to use the streaming service that YouTube has, and, well, if you've been seeing videos popping up and going away and everything, well, that's probably because of this. Now, I don't think it broadcasted anything, but if it did, that's what was going on, because I'm trying to figure this whole thing out. So anyway, 7 PM British Summer Time, don't know what that is, so look it up on your local time thing, whatever. Gonna be live streaming, installing Fedora Linux on my main PC, which is running Arch right now. So yeah, gonna get rid of Arch, install Fedora, and before anybody says anything, oh, you hate Arch, blah 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 blah, that'll all be explained later. Anyway, that's it for now, and until 7 PM tonight, goodbye.